What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button. You don't even have to hit the like button or anything else. You don't have to comment, just please hit that subscribe button. Like most of you, it says 98% of you are not subscribed. So that's crazy, crazy. So yeah, hit that subscribe button and help me get to 1,000. At 1,000 subs, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. It's not like a car or a trailer or a drift pack or anything. You know, I'm broke. I'm just the garage enthusiast, but I'm gonna figure something cool to give away at 1,000 subscribers. It's gonna be awesome. Hell yeah. So today, if you watched the last video, you should probably do that. It's me finishing up my street tune on my Civic, but I don't have shit for coolant, and actually that looks pretty foul. I mean, let me take a look at that. Oh, that's hella gross. That's my coolant. That's nasty. Let me pour that out and let's take a look at that. Ugh, that's f***ing gross. I'm gonna clean this out before I start this, and then I'm gonna add some coolant to the system. Actually, legit, I'm gonna go inside and charge this battery up and go watch Chris Fix's video on flushing the coolant system. I've never done a flush myself. I've always taken it somewhere. I've filled it before, but like I feel like I need to help this thing out. I know there's not much in there, but like anything that's in the engine needs to come out. So okay, all right, I'm gonna go watch that video and catch up with you guys in just a second. So yeah, go smash that subscribe button. Go do it now. Smash that subscribe button. Go do it now. All right, I'll be right back. Alrighty, so after watching that video, pretty simple. I've got the reservoir soaking inside in some cleaner. I'm gonna rinse that out, wash it real good. I'm gonna wash that really well. Basically, you just wanna, Chris Fix uses a flushing material, but I don't have that. And my van is busted, so we're just gonna skip that and do it with coolant and water and stuff like that. So you're just gonna drain the system, fill it up with water, run the car for a little bit, and rinse and repeat until it comes out clear, and then we're gonna do a 50-50 antifreeze water mixture. So I'm gonna back the car out and get her going. So I've run it and stripping all over the place down here. So I'm just gonna try and scoot around this puddle that's creeping ever closer. And get down here. And this is the little doohickey fucking thing. There we go. Just let it piss into the bucket for a while. So, yep. That's all you gotta do. Rinse and repeat. Do it one more time after this. Ugh, nasty ass shit here. I don't know if you can see it. Gross. I'm gonna pull that out so it doesn't go in. So as you can see, I had to go get a funnel. Ones that attach to the radiator cap are stupid expensive. Definitely not looking to pay what they're charging on those. So as you can see, there's just a little spillage, a little boombala that happened, you know. Yeah, so I got it all bled. Took about 3 hours total. It's ridiculous. Pretty sure my head gasket is fucked because it didn't ever stop bubbling completely. So I'm gonna have to investigate that soon. But I'm gonna go for a drive here tomorrow and see how everything goes. Until then, take it easy, y'all. Peace.